Greetings and a warm welcome. I am Yatnesh Dubey and today we are talking about the top 5 features of the Toshiba C450 QLED Ultra HD Smart TV. The series includes 43, 50 and 55 C450 ME TVs along with 65 and 85 C450 NP TVs. This exciting QLED TV is powered by Toshiba's Rexa engine and offers a number of exciting features. Here are a few things that you should know about it. To start with, this TV boasts a sharp 4K UHD QLED display available in 5 different size options: 85 inch, 65 inch, 55 inch, 50 inch and 43 inch. The quantum dots technology helps with vivid lifelike colors with high brightness and clarity. Toshiba's Rexa engine ZR analyzes the picture and optimizes it for best performance. It can also effectively upscale Full HD content to 4K quality. The ultimate motion feature smooths motion, reducing blur in fast-moving sequences. The TV also supports Dolby Vision HDR, delivering enhanced contrast and dynamic range for a truly cinematic experience. Toshiba also adds game mode to enhance gaming experience. ALLM or Auto Low Latency mode ensures you automatically switch to preferred game settings for minimal input lag and smoother gameplay. The TV also supports VRR, which reduces screen tearing and stuttering during fast-paced action sequences. To complete your cinema and gaming experience, this TV has powerful speakers with Rexa Power Audio. The 43, 50 and 55 C450 ME and 65 C450 NP TVs have 24 watt speakers, whereas the 85 C450 NP has 36 watt speakers. You can switch between different sound modes for a balanced experience based on the content playing on the TV. Advanced audio formats like Dolby Atmos is also available, and if you wish to connect an external audio system, eARC connectivity allows you to seamlessly transmit high quality audio via HDMI. 43, 50, 55 and 85 inch TVs in the series run the Google TV interface and thus seamlessly blend with Google's ecosystem. Multiple voice assistants are supported for convenient voice controls. And these 4 Google TV based models include compatibility with Apple AirPlay and HomeKit, as well as Miracast and DLNA, enabling easy screen mirroring from both Android and Apple devices. This broad connectivity ensures a versatile and user-friendly experience across platforms. 65 C450 NP is powered by Vida TV OS, renowned for its speed, security and intuitive interface. It seamlessly integrates built-in Amazon Alexa and voice assistants for effortless voice commands. With pre-installed apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney Plus Hotstar and more, you'll have access to a wide array of content at your fingertips. Finally, this TV boasts a sleek, durable design with ultra-thin side bezels, enhancing immersion for both cinematic viewing and gaming. It has been subjected to rigorous testing, including over 1200 performance evaluations, more than 200 hours of thorough sampling, high humidity, endurance trials and more, assuring dependable and long-lasting performance. So that was our quick overview of the Toshiba C450 QLED Ultra HD Smart TV. We hope you enjoyed it and we wish you a pleasant shopping experience.